Good morning, students. We are being looking into Geography Chapter 5, Minerals, and we are we will go to next topic in this mode of occurrence of minerals. Means where are these minerals found? See, minerals are actually found in ores. What is ore? The term ore is used to describe an accumulation of any mineral mixed with other elements. The mineral content of the ore must be in sufficient concentration to make its extraction commercially viable. So it is seen in or it's found in ores, and ore is that where a particular mineral is there, and we are talking about how it can be useful economically. That also we look. So see, to make its extraction commercially viable, there must be the mineral content of the ore must be sufficient in that. The type of formation or structure in which they are found determines the relative ease with which mineral ores may be mined. Okay, so its structure, whether we can mine these mineral from the particular area or from the ore, that also depends on how it is the structure of this mineral or the ore. Okay, then this also determines the cost of extraction. It is therefore important for us to understand the main types of formations in which minerals occur. So when we want to use it commercially, we should see how it's the type of formation in which the minerals occur. Now we will look into the different types of formation. Minerals generally occur in the following forms. We will see. First, it's seen or is found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. See, igneous and metamorphic rocks minerals may occur in the cracks, crevices, folds, or joints. Okay, these areas it will be found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. The smaller occurrences are called veins, and the larger are called lords. Okay, veins and lords. These are the two. Means smaller amount, then that is veins, and if larger deposits, that is called lords. In most cases, they are formed when minerals in liquid, that means molten, and gaseous forms are forced upward through the cavities towards the Earth's surface. They cool and solidify as they rise. Okay, major metallic minerals like tin, copper, zinc, and lead, etc., are obtained from veins and lords. Okay, these minerals are got or found, or we got these from igneous and metamorphic rocks. And next is sedimentary rocks. In sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in beds and layers. There, earlier we saw that in veins and lords. Now here, beds or layers. How? They have been formed as a result of deposition, accumulation, and concentration in horizontal strata. That's why we call it beds or layers. Coal and some forms of iron ore have been concentrated as a result of long periods under great heat and pressure. Okay, so another group of sedimentary minerals include gypsum, potash salts, and sodium salts. These are formed as a result of evaporation, especially in arid regions. Okay, so these are the uh, minerals we saw in sedimentary rocks. Okay, so we saw that coal, iron ore, and gypsum, then potash salt and sodium salt. Now come to the third. See, another mode of formation involves the decomposition of surface rocks, okay, and the removal of soluble constituents, leaving a residual mass of weathered material containing ores. Bauxite forms this way. Okay, so this is another way of formation of mineral. That see, formation in this is how the surface rock wither away, and from that, when the soluble things constituents being removed, then the mineral or the material that is used as mineral being received, we can get these. Okay, come to next. Some mineral may occur as alluvial deposits. In sands of valley, floods, and the base of hills. Okay, now it is another these deposits are called alluvial deposits. That's because it's in the valley, valley floors and the base of hills. This is brought or swept by the water from the mountains. Okay, and these deposits are called placer deposits and generally contain minerals which are not corroded by water. Okay, these are not corroded by the water, not swept away by the water, but when we see in the bed, it is in the sea floor, plain valley floor, or the base of hills, we receive such minerals like gold, silver, tin, and platinum are such. Now come to the last one. See, the ocean waters contain vast quantities of minerals, but most of these are too widely diffused to be of economic significance. Means we cannot take it out, we cannot extract the minerals that's in the ocean water. That you can imagine that how. Still we receive some. For example, common salts, magnesium, and bromine are largely derived from ocean waters. These are, that we take out the common salt that is from sea water or the ocean water. Okay. Now, the ocean beds too are rich in manganese nodules. Okay, so ocean bed also has the manganese, and you know that we have the petroleum deposits also in the ocean beds.